Hello guys, welcome to Keep Common Trade, and this is my entries so far. So look at my position with one lot. I am at around 20-30 points up. Okay, so I'll just wait for the trade to be completed. Once it is completed, I'll explain my entry and exit points. Okay, so for now we are around 600 rupees profit. Okay, I'll keep you updated, guys. Thank you. Okay guys, the moment has started. Okay, so today I'm not planning to book more profit because the major move is already done. So okay, I think it is the time to book. I'm not waiting for today because majority of the move is already done, so I'll not wait more. Okay, so wait guys, I'll just explain about the trade. Welcome back guys. So this is the trade for the day, and look at my entry and exit. In fact, the trade is completed within 10 minutes. Okay, let's discuss about the setup. So ignore all those things. So what I did is, what happened with Bank Nifty today is it opened gap up. Okay, retraced. Okay, and broke the previous high. Okay, made a higher low. So it was a clear sign that Bank Nifty was making higher high. That means it's a uptrend. Okay, so and it started trading in the channel. I have already drawn the channel. You can see here. So till here I missed a lot of opportunities. Okay, wait a minute. See, morning I was observing this. Okay, this breakout. I was observing that breakout, but I could not make entry because I thought after this breakout it will come for a retest on this trend line, then I'll make entry. So I was waiting for that plan, but it did not retest, so it went continuously. So I thought of not making entry, so I missed that opportunity. Okay, after this breakout, Bank Nifty started moving up and it started trading inside a channel, horizontal channel. You can say it's a sideways area. This area is sideways. Okay, so this was the support which is drawn in the rectangle. Okay, and this is one more support, sorry, resistance before, later turned into support. Of once this level was broken, this level started behaving as a support. Okay, so it went and touched the channel and came back, and this trend line was broken. Okay, so see, after this breakout it came for retest. Here I made entry 11:24. You can see this is 11, sorry, 2:24. Sorry for that, 2:24 I made entry. I thought of booking till here. This was my profit today because Nifty was already around 260 points up. I thought there will be no much movement left in the market, so I thought of booking early, and hence I booked around 60 points. Okay, so I booked down 60 points, but you can see a huge move happening in the Bank Nifty. I missed this move, or else we would have made, I made entry here, this point. So this is around 170 180 points of movement. Stop loss was this much. This to reward was 1:4, but the fact is you cannot catch the entire move which will be done or which will be made in the market, because we don't know, right? Now the market is done, so I will say, so this move I missed. Okay, but till this point I didn't know market will go so much up. Okay, so that's why don't keep the fear of miss out. Always trade safe. Whenever it comes to your zone, always try to book the profit. Whenever it's going against your zone or your risk appetite, always book the loss. So that's the way, that's the only way to survive in the market, or else for market to remove you is not a big deal. Okay, so this is my position for the day. This is my third day and three back-to-back profits. That's it for the days. Thank you. See you.